I love cooking recipes that take no time, especially when I'm in a hurry. So in this recipe, we're going to be cooking some delicious, flavorful liver masala, which is going to be delicious, which is going to be perfect for meal prepping as a side dish, and it's going to turn out so good. Prep up some onions, zucchini, tomatoes, coriander, garlic, and ginger. And also you're going to need a few spices, which you're going to find listed in the description box to make this delicious liver recipe. I have 500 grams of fresh liver, which you're going to be making for this recipe. And also I have some milk. We are going to start off by removing the membrane of the liver, because once you cook your liver with the membrane, it's going to turn out tough. So the trick here is to lift up the thin membrane that is shiny, as you can see, and place your knife underneath. Then you're going to insert your finger under the membrane and pull the membrane, and it's going to come easily off, just like that. Going to flip the other side. And once done, using your sharp knife, you're going to cut the liver into bite-sized pieces. Once done, you're going to transfer to a small bowl. Next, you're going to add in a cup of milk, which is going to remove toxins from the liver. So then you're going to soak your liver for around 5 to 10 minutes. Once you're done rinsing the milk from your liver, it's time to cook. I'm going to pick a pan and place over medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the oil can get hot. Once it's ready, you're going to transfer in your liver. Make sure the liver is in a single layer. Then you're going to sear your liver for around 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to cover so that the liver can cook a little bit. Then we are going to be searing for around a minute to get that nice searing on the liver, which is going to make the recipe very delicious. When the liver gets to the point of searing, let me tell you, the chicken is going to have a very nice aroma, which I absolutely love. So you're going to cook the liver in the cooking oil for around a minute. And all this is going to add in tons of flavor to the liver masala. When the liver is perfectly seared, you're going to reduce the flame to low. Add in your onion. That is 1 large onion. Then you're going to saute together with the liver for around a minute. You will be tempted to wash your pan after searing your liver. You'll be missing out a lot of flavor because we have bits of liver and all the liver juices in the cooking oil. And also you notice that the pan has some fond, which is going to come straight off. Immediately you reduce the flame to low. We're going to be adding in some seasoning, and I have some paprika. This is a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, which is very flavorful, and some chili flakes, which are optional, but you can add in a little bit just for a kick of spiciness. I'm going to add in some crushed garlic and ginger as well. Toss the spices together with the garlic as it's cooking. And this is going to make the spices very aromatic after toasting. Also, when the garlic hits the pan together with the ginger, you're going to catch a very nice aroma in the kitchen. So at this point, the liver looks so delicious already, but we're going to be adding in some stew to it. So I'm going to add in 2 large tomatoes that I've dried. Add in some tomato paste. This is a heaped teaspoon. And for a touch of beef flavor, I'm going to be adding in some beef seasoning cube. Not seasoning, beef stock cube. Add in a splash of water, which is going to deglaze the pan. Add in a bit more salt, around a 1/4 teaspoon. Then you're going to stir in the salt, cover and cook your liver over medium-low flame for around 5 to 6 minutes or until it's fully cooked. As it's cooking, you're going to check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt. Just look how gorgeous the gravy is looking. After 3 minutes, you'll notice a thin layer of cooking oil on top. That means that the tomatoes are cooking perfectly. You're going to stir to make sure nothing is burning. Just look at that. Looks so delish. So next I'm going to add in a pinch of sugar. Stir in, and this is going to neutralize or stabilize the acidity of the dish because we added in both tomatoes. That is fresh tomatoes and tomato paste. Add in your half-moon zucchini. You can also chop into little pieces if you have kids. Stir in. Add in a third cup of water. Reduce the flames to low and cook your zucchini for around 3 minutes until it's tender. And when the liver is looking this delicious and everything is perfectly cooked and well seasoned, you're going to finish up some coriander, which is going to add in color and flavor. And you'll be ready to serve over some ugali, chapati, rice, mashed potatoes, mashed green bananas, and everything is going to turn out delicious. So this is a very nice way that you can serve some delicious food which needs minimal ingredients, and the outcome is awesome.